In this lesson, we are going to control the gain of the oscillator from the previous lesson by blowing onto the microphone. In order to do this, we will replace the slider by an amplitude tracker, this amp follower R. This circuit takes three inputs: the duration of the attack of the envelope in seconds, the duration of the release in seconds, and the signal to be analyzed. So it's good to look at the block diagram of this code. You can do that very easily just by clicking on the button View the block diagram.
Now try to run the program and blow onto the built-in microphone of your laptop to see if this works. Take good notes of this as it might be needed in this session's assignment. So let's run it. Now if I go on it.
Can I try it?
Daisy, Daisy.